Missed me too much over the weekend, but we're back. We are going to have a pretty big week this week. So we are at a very pivotal point in the market here. Now, we've been talking about the chop zones and some of the other little levels that I've been calling the cuck zones, but the price action that we've seen out of the SPY over the last couple of weeks or so is very interesting, and it's definitely something that we need to be paying attention to. So again, normally with our day trades, we're going to be doing the exact same thing, waiting out the first 30 minutes, playing the traffic lights, which you guys all have access to now on your charts. Our lifetimers, you guys know the deal. We went over this with you guys yesterday. You guys have the broken traffic light and the red light runner alerts. So you have the day traffic lights and the 4-hour traffic lights. Those are going to be sweet. But let's take a look at the SPY here on the daily really quickly. And again, guys, since this is a public live stream, we're public every single morning. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way, and it helps out a boatload. Getting some more people into these streams, helping us really take people to the next level and actually help them make money in this market. So hopefully you guys all had a good weekend here. But looking at SPY on the daily, you saw this nice little rally up from 348. So this is on the daily here. You saw that nice run up to 410, the sell off all the way down to 374. And if you look at this, I think the 4-hour is going to be a better view of this. Yeah. So we rallied up into this little chop zone here, right up in here. From the previous chop zones, we slipped back into it, basically the 200 EMA on the 4-hour, and then right back up. So what it looks like is the market wants to push. It looks like we want to get a push. Is that going to happen? I don't know. It's possible. But again, I'm not in the business here of trying to predict what's going to happen. I'm going to react versus predict. Remember, leave the predictions to our predictive algorithms. They are way better at it than everybody else. So looking at this here, this test of the 200 EMA, I mean, we could easily see a test of 400 today. You're still looking at that 402, 402.50 before potentially another leg down. But this is a key pivotal point in the market here. We are right at a key level where we could easily drop significantly or get a nice little breakout here. So it's really 50-50. That's why I titled this stream Make or Break Monday, because we are in a very interesting spot, team. But how you guys doing? Morning, SB. How are we doing? I'm doing pretty good. I was relatively relaxed this weekend after last weekend because I needed to kind of take a little bit of a break. But team, you guys are doing great already on the like button. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. Keep smacking that on the way in. And again, if you're still curious about these yellow traffic lights, they have been an absolute cheat code for us over here. If you guys are interested in getting these and learning a little bit more about them, it does come with your 2-week free trial to the Trade 1348 platform. These charts, in 2 weeks, we are going to be releasing the alerts on when these daily traffic lights and 4-hour traffic lights happen to the public, to the entire community. Right now, only our lifetime members have it. So if you are considering getting lifetime, you will get access to these traffic lights. And again, I have a video on these traffic lights out on my channel, and so does Gabe. So these I live by now, man. I live by these traffic lights. They are filthy. Make or break till it gets to 398. I mean, I'm above 402, 402.50. That's kind of where I would look at that and say, if you confirm above there and start running a little bit, yeah, you could see a little bit of a breakout. Which doesn't make sense in terms of the data coming out, like the data that we've seen, but whatever. The market's going to do what it wants to do at the end of the day. Let's see. We got a lot of the familiar faces in here today. What's up, everybody? Hopefully you guys had a good weekend. And yeah, so that link to get your 2-week free trials and get those traffic lights, all the predictive algorithms, the alerts, the live streams, the real-time unusual options activity, that's in the top of the live chat. But I'll throw it in here for you guys too. Make sure that you guys take advantage of that because the prices will be going up in the future as we roll out new products. And I don't know how long we're going to do this 2-week free trial for. We've given you guys like just a lot of time to get in here. With the brand new platform's been out for a month, and it's fucking filthy, honestly. But let's see here. Morning, have a killer week. Dude, that's what we're going to do around here, man. We're just going to be killing it this week. Again, I mean, how much was I up last week? Like 6-something%? I'll take that. If we can do that again, I'll be thrilled. I'll take that all day long. We got leading economic indicators today. Yeah, I believe that's at 10. I don't think that that's going to be anything too crazy. But again, could be market moving. So always going to be best practice to kind of wait out that first 30 minutes of the morning chop. Market has you nervous today. Why? Okay, so the market should never really make you nervous. What's up, SB? I've been lurking, making base hits consistently. Luigi, attaboy. Yeah, I've seen some of your gains recently, guys. Congratulations. Like, seriously, congratulations to a lot of you. You guys have been really taking this to the next level for you guys. It's filthy. Like, it seems like you guys are one-upping yourselves every single week with the gains and the learning. It's just fucking awesome to see, dude. But here's the thing that you actually should be scared of in the market, and it has nothing to do with what's on the screen. The only thing that you need to be scared of in the market is yourself. That's the only thing that can fuck you in the market. It's a you versus you game. Yes, it's a zero-sum game, and you are taking the other side of other people's trades, but it all comes down to risk management. You should not be scared of the market. You should be scared of what dumb things that you are going to do in the market. That's a very, very key difference. Like, for example, if you set your risk at a certain level and then you decide not to follow it on a contract that expires that day, that's not the market fucking you. That's you being a dumbass. That's you. You should be scared of yourself doing things. Good morning, Diana. If you follow the system, you just have to react to the market. Don't be nervous. Yeah, man. I mean, we're gonna crush it again today. I mean, you guys have seen it. It's gonna be another day of proof of concept, showing you guys just how powerful this system is. Let's get after it. Let's make some money. And then for those of you guys that aren't on this side of the screen, you can fuck off, and then we can just be done. Super simple, man. All right, guys. You guys are murdering the like button. Thank you. Appreciate that, team. Let's see. How was my weekend? It was good. It was chill, dude. I went ice skating. I actually am getting pretty good at ice skating, which is interesting. So I'm getting pretty good at ice skating. I've been twice, and I'm kind of nasty. I learned how to skate stop, and I can do the crossover thing. That's about all I know how to do. I can't really skate backwards, and other than that, I look like a stupid head. And then Saturday, I went to a bar for a little bit, but I wasn't really drinking. I was keeping it in the zoo. Went to a brewery to watch a game. Ate like a chicken and waffles pizza, which was fire. And that was really it. Did I go? Oh, I got all you can eat sushi yesterday too. That was great. Did I go to Moe's? No, I haven't been to Moe's in like since I've moved here. Bend your knees when you skate. I do, dude. I know how to do it. Like I know how to ice skate, just like not like a hockey player level. But we kind of want to play hockey, so we have to learn how to skate. Thank you for doing these streams. You're helping us understand the markets. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. That's the goal over here. I mean, you take the learnings and kind of my philosophical rants that I go on you guys about risk management, and then you combine the learnings from our system and the Trade 1348 platform. You guys are going to be set up very, very, very well. Did you reenact the Frozen ice skating dance? I don't know what that is, so probably not. Went to a super fancy party in Beverly Hills. Felt very out of place. Nah. The other thing is, everybody, is I want you guys. Okay, so I want everybody to listen up. I'm always doing shit. Like I'm always talking to people, and like people bring me stuff like business idea and all sorts of stuff. When you think about the market or making money, we've talked about this before about how I just view things in a very different way than other people in terms of just like money and just how things work. What you'll realize is that there are people out there with just money you could not believe. Like, and they'll just allocate like, boom, there, good. It's crazy, guys. So you have to view things in a slightly different way than other people because, and again, this is very, very similar to what I've been telling you guys. How do you expect to have consistent results if you don't have a consistent process or approach to managing and entering your trades? It's the same thing. How do you expect to have different results than other people by doing the same things that are thinking the same way that other people do? It's not going to work. Been trying to get your family into trading. Have an uncle down 10 grand in bonds this year. Oh yeah, dude. It's been the triple bear last year. Ooh. What's this? Oh, that's algo. That's filthy. That's nasty. All right, I'd have to see that in real time. But it's an interesting thing. Like you'll just talk to people and you'll just like hear about like what they're doing. You're like, what the fuck? You're like, what? Really? And she's like, yeah. They're just like, yeah, whatever. It's crazy. Should I get in touch with the Bruins to set up your tryout? No, don't do that. I would severely embarrass myself. All right. SPY selling off a little bit here. I mean, it's still up a little bit in the pre-market. Tessie slipping. Actually, AMD was up a decent amount in the pre-market, which I always like to see. 2.6% in the pre-market there at 71.90. Nice. Love that. Love that, man. What are the traffic lights saying right now? Depends on the time frame. It depends on the time frame you're looking at. What time frame are you curious about? And again, it's not like using the traffic lights to tell like where everything's going to go. It's like I look at it on a trade by trade basis. What's with the SPY opening at 389 pre-market? It did not do that. It was at 395. Around 395. I don't see any of that. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. We're almost at 100, and make sure that you guys are securing your 2-week free trials as well. Trade1348.com. You get the traffic lights. And I hope from yesterday in the Lifetime Masterclass, first of all, shout out to all you Lifetimers. You guys get access to the alerts on the traffic lights first on both the 4-hour and the daily. That's just one of the added benefits that we're trying to roll out to you guys. We have a lot more in the pipeline for all you Lifetimers, but hopefully some of the things that we talked about in yesterday's masterclass are going to click for you guys this week. There were a lot of gems in there. Make sure you're going back watching those streams and videos that we posted because they're going to help you out a whole lot. Spend time with successful people. It rubs off. Yeah. Your trading view chart shows a huge green candle at 4 a.m. 1 minute chart opens at 398. Hold on. I think it's probably bullshit, dude. It's probably Are you talking about this? Oh yeah, this is all bullshit. These are bullshit candles. But again, I mean, look at the traffic light here. You're getting it on here, 396, 67. It's all the way down at 396. I mean, the yellow traffic lights are filthy, dude. Especially on the 1 minute. I love them on the 1 minute. Happy Monday, team. What's up, Sam Lee? How you doing, buddy? Yeah, Sean, that's just a bullshit candle. I wouldn't pay too much attention to that. All right. Let's see. Small account here, $2,000. That's not that small. I'm on the 14-day trial. Should I look at SPY alerts or cheaper market alerts? Yeah, SPY, cheaper market alerts. You can always play shares. Yeah. I mean, again, it always comes down to, see, Rich, the sliding scale of risk. You should be risking about 1% of your portfolio on every single trade. How do you plan on doing that? Well, it depends. You can throw $20 at the trade and size it for 0. You can throw $40 at the trade and size it for a 50% loss. You can throw $100 at the trade and size it for a, what is that? What is that? 20%. Sorry, I'm stupid. Or $200 and size it for a 10% loss. Like there's a lot of different things that you can do. And so on. Yes, exactly. It all comes down to risk management. 20%. Yeah, sorry. My brain shut off there for a second. Woo! Who's ready to have a good day today, huh? You guys ready? Trade 1348 gang. What's up? How we doing? You guys ready to go steal some more money today? And just like basically make everybody else that's outside of our community just extremely jealous? I can't wait. Every day it's like that. Every day. Tabasco Dave's been killing it. I know Jason's been killing it. Bad idea to short SPY in the medium term. You can do whatever you like, Dylan. It is not up to me. Good morning, Vix. Love the video yesterday. You guys are leading the next generation of millionaires into the market and killing it. Thank you, Sockbanger. Yeah, that Lifetime Masterclass I think was really, really solid at kind of giving you guys a little bit of a different insight into how we're looking at the different time frames sometimes, and with risk management too. Hopefully you guys took a lot away from that, because that was, in my opinion, a very, very good one. But again, like I said yesterday, with the 1 minute stuff, if you do not have a solid grasp of risk management, or you are not a disciplined trader, don't touch it. Let's see. Morning, SUV. Morning, Miguel. How you doing, pal? Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, Gabe and I are going to have some videos out for you guys this week too. I think one of mine is going to be about swing trading. Because people have been very, very curious about swinging, how I've been swinging, and just like how to do it. There's going to be a lot of risk management stuff in there too. So get ready for that. We're going to be going over the traffic lights a little bit in there as well. Morning, SUV. Thanks for the lifetime masterclass. Ready to fire up the printer? There you go. Where can you find the masterclass videos? Tom, if you are a lifetime member of 1348, you get them sent to you through email. Thanks for the lifetime masterclass. Ready to fire up the printer? There you go. You were in the masterclass yesterday. I like to learn through repetition. Will lifetime members be able to access live stream? Yeah, yeah. It's an unlisted video. So when you guys have the link, you guys are good to go. Do you swing on a separate account? No, I swing on the same account. You can delegate it and be like, this is my swing account. This is my day trade account. You can do that. I just don't. It's not really like a difference. It's just, and remember, the swings are always usually sized down too. So it's not that much of a difference. When they get up to like over 10% total of my account and they're all in one direction, I'm scaling out. I don't want to be overweight on one side. Can't I have a larger gain? Yeah, but I can also have a much larger loss, which I don't want. It just creates more volatility as those positions go up in value, especially with options. It's not like shares where like you're basically diversifying yourself with time and price or value increases. It actually, your account becomes more volatile because there's still an expiration date. Ooh, 9 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. Let's get after it today, man. 1 or 10% per trade. Learning videos conflict. You say 1%, gives us 10% of the port per trade. So we're saying the same thing, Tim. You're risking 1% of your portfolio, but you're using a maximum of 10% of your account to go into the trade. That's the difference. So when I say risking 1%, I mean that's where your stop loss is. So you could you could technically, don't do this. This is a sliding scale of risk example. This is not something that I will ever do or you guys should ever do. You could technically throw 100% of your account in the trade with a 1% stop loss. Should you? No, that's dumb as fuck. But technically, if you're talking about just like when we say like risking 1%, that's what risking 1% is. Just tuned in, ready to get started, looking patiently to see the yellow alerts, not seeing them this morning. Chris, if you're a lifetime member, so all lifetime members get the alerts for 2 weeks, and then we roll it out to everybody else in the community. So all the lifetime members have been sent the traffic light alert. So it looks like this. So you guys see this here, broken traffic light, and then you've got this one. So that's the daily, and then this is the red light runner. This is the 4-hour. So all the lifetimers have been sent that. Got it. Thanks. Thank you, Tim. Yeah, so for this week and next week, all lifetimers get the alerts on the daily. Let's see here. Ooh, we're over 100 likes. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate that. But yeah, again, if you don't want to become a lifetime member, you guys get the charts with the yellow traffic lights on them. In 2 weeks, they'll be rolled out to everybody. The link for the 2-week free trial to the platform is in the top of the live chat there. I mean, if you guys aren't in there yet, I have to say I feel bad for you. I mean, there's so many other people out there leading all of you guys to slaughter. Everybody just such bad habits like follow trading, playing 0 days. Like there's a lot of bullshit out there, guys. Please be careful. You're never going to hear that shit from us. Like, oh, you zeroed. No. We are all about consistency, aiming for realistic goals every single day. And now that may not be flashy and it may not be something that's going to catch everybody's eye, but that is the smart way to be in the market. That's why our members have different results than everybody else because we do things a lot differently. So if you guys are interested, 2 weeks for free, man. Come check it out. Well, let's see. We got about 26 minutes until the market opened this morning. Dude, I'm like fucking hungry for some reason. Finally got my computer set up. I move slow on Monday mornings. There you go. 1348 teaches us to fish rather than giving us the fish. Yep. Good morning, all. Good morning, Jerry. How you doing? Let's see. Let's see here. All right. We're going to be looking at the same stuff as we always do. Dude, for some reason, when I when I click on like a different screen than like YouTube or like my YouTube studio, it like pauses the live stream. It's so weird. The bear market's over. Careful. Careful with that statement there, pal. Careful with that. Bear market's not over. Let's see. All right, folks. What are we going to get here? How many times did I fall this weekend skating? Once. And it was because I tried to do something dumb. The first time I went skating, no falling. I didn't fall. Guys, I'm like athletic. Like I don't just like fall down. And like when I did fall down, it was because I tried to do something stupid. It was me trying to like skate, jump, do a 180, and then land, and then start skating backwards. And I fell, obviously. So dollars ripping is a fake pump. You can think that all you want. That's perfectly fine. We are not in the business of trying to predict when the bear market is over. If you do, you're going to be in struggle land. So I don't care. I don't think the bear market's over, but I don't care if it is or isn't. Can I dunk? I can touch the rim, but I cannot dunk. No. I mean, I'm 6'2". I probably should be able to. I just can't. I got little weak bitch legs. Skating and water skiing were difficult for you? Yeah, I can water ski. I can wakeboard. Did I go skating with mini golf? No. Mini golf I might hang out with this week. Then there's another one. I'm guessing I'm pretty good at skiing. Yeah, I used to do those like slope style competitions. Did I go to UConn? Yeah, I did. Let's see. Tell us about mini golf. Why? Why? There's another one now. There is another one now. I'm not going to explain this one because I just can't. But you guys would be proud of me. Just hopped in. I'll smash the like. Chanley, I appreciate that, buddy. All right. Spy's fucking around a little bit. You're right at the 396.50 magnet level, which we've seen many times. So we'll see what the where's the 200? Oh, way the fuck down here. Jesus. Hello. Ice rink girl? No, there's no ice rink girl. My CT native? I am. Daniel, no girls have known who I am. It's just like sometimes dudes, but very rarely. It's only happened twice where people know who I am. All right, guys, let's see. Spy slipping here. This could get spicy. Puts or calls. Whatever the market tells you, we're not predicting. Guys, Irish bad boy, that is such a bad habit trying to predict things. And I know it's from these other people that are trying to predict things and give them out to you and try to sound smart. That's not the way to do things. You got to wait till the market tells you. Nothing about this market right now and this pre-market action is telling you what to do. None of this is actionable right now. You need to see what the price action's like when the market opens. Whatever happened to the Benz that I had? I got out of that lease and they absolutely assaulted me trying to get out of that one. Am I going to ski this season? I don't think so. Yeah, dude, I love that Mercedes. They assaulted me getting out of that lease, though. All it does is create a bias. Yeah, we don't need to be biased, guys. Like, there's no need for it. I mean, I can have a bias here, but we are at a key pivot point. Irish bad boy, thank you. I hope that makes sense. It's like be reactive, not predictive. React to what the market gives you versus trying to predict what's going to happen, because you can't. Then you're just gambling. If you're just trying to predict what's going to happen randomly, it's just you're not going to have success. Still rocks himself in the shower over the Benz. Yeah, dude, it cost me $6,200 to get out of the fucking lease. I should have just bought the damn car. I would have made money on it if I wanted to get rid of it. It was bullshit. That sucked. I was like, fuck you guys, is literally what I was thinking. That sucked so bad. All right, we got 20 minutes until open here. Everything's starting to try and bend to the downside. That's ridiculous. Yeah, I know, bro. The timing of it sucked because like I basically got the lease at the peak of the car market and then it started to drop. So like it was like actually when I went there, they actually or I didn't go there, but they told me 7,200. And I was like, "Fuck you. I'm not paying that. You're drunk right now if you think I'm going to give you $7,200 to get out of this lease." That was hurtful. I mean, it's fine, but I was like, "That's dumb." I could have done a lot of fun. I could have had a lot of fun with that money. I could have swap leased it, and I was lazy too. Like I could have swap leased it. It was a deal. It was a steal of a deal. If allocation is 3% per trade, what's the percentage stop out to respect to 1%? 4 is 25, 3 is 30. 33. We were trying to help. Yeah, but I don't trust you guys much. Oh, hold on. Good morning, SCV and 1348 gang. No stop loss on Mercedes. No, it wasn't. There is no stop loss on Mercedes. Thank you, brother. No problem, Tor. No problem, buddy. All right, Spy slipping a little bit here. Hold on, let's check on some of these. What's Procter Gamble doing? Flat, T-Mobile. Oh, that's fine. Tessie, slip in. Apple slip in. Nancy slip in. This could get interesting. Hit the like button, freeloaders. Thank you, Life Wisdom. I appreciate that. I mean, I'll probably, if you guys do get to 500 likes, I'll show ankles. If you get to 1,000, I'll wear my underwear outside of my pants because I'm Batman. You know? Have I ever lied to you? Besides the one time I mistakenly thought your camera was pointing down, and I couldn't see your face on mobile. A lot of you guys have lied to me many times, and I don't take like, especially if it's like me buying a car. I'm probably not listening to you guys. Just saying. On Lease Trader, people would take over the lease. Easy way to get out of leases without paying. Yeah, and it was a steal. Like every other lease, because the lease was cheap because I gave him a car that had like some decent value. So I just got fucked. It's okay. Live and learn. Yeah, you guys are murdering the like button. I appreciate that. All right. I mean, we're gonna have Spy on the 1 minute up here. All you lifetimers, keep a lookout for the traffic lights on the 4 hour. The daily ones are gonna trigger at the end of the day. Just because we need the candle to close. So we will have that for you guys. I mean, it's out now. Let's see. So you lost the trade and 60. Oh yeah, it was bad. But the car, I mean, the car was kind of useless at that point. Like the car was pretty useless. Oh, perfect. Like it didn't work. I told you guys about that car, right? About how I would start it. The RPMs would just go like, and then the car would die. But all you needed to do was start the car enough times so that the engine would heat up. So then the RPMs would like figure it the fuck out. And then you just had to drive it and then it would work. But then it would have problems shifting gears. So it would like I would go out and the whole thing there would be such a big timing delay. Like there was a timing issue. So then I would go and it would shift and it'd be mid gear and I'd be rolling and then I'd still have my foot on the gas. It would shift and the car would just go. That was very bad. Not good. That was really bad. That was dangerous. No money in pocket, just take over the payments, paid a $500 fee to BMW. Oh, that's pretty sweet. I don't know. And the other thing is too, I don't need a car around here. I just Uber. Like there's no parking anywhere. I don't need a car. You just start with a screwdriver? Jesus. Yeah, that car. That car cost me a bunch of money last year too. No cars this year. No cars. All right. Ooh, we got some freeloaders not hitting the like button. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Jason, what's up, buddy? Hopefully you're ready to kill it again today. Let's have a good day, team. Let's have a freaking good day. When merch? Fuck, I gotta do that. I do have to get merch for you guys. Needed adjustments. Oh, no, that wasn't a Mercedes. That was an Audi. No legs till wrench. Jessica, you're not getting a wrench. We're wrenched out over here. We got too many wrenches. Let's see. Sorry about that. Just hit the like button. DC fan for life. Appreciate you, buddy. All right. We're going to be getting Gabe on here with us in a few minutes as well. Hopefully you guys are ready to have some fun. Again, I mean, it is pre-market. Gives you guys enough time to make sure that you're securing your limited 2-week free trials. That link's at the top of the live chat over there for you guys. Again, you get access to all of the proprietary trading algorithms that you will never find anywhere else. All of the alerts. You get crypto alerts in the Discord. We're going to be rolling out some more stuff too. We just released the new charts that you guys see over here. With the traffic lights, you get real-time unusual options activity. You get everything, man. It's a one-stop shop for retail investors for learning how to make money in the market and giving you the tools to make it a boatload easier. So if you guys are interested in that, man, I mean, again, take advantage of it. 2 weeks for free. 2 weeks for free at the top of the live chat. I'll throw that in here for you guys too. Morning, SB. I hope everyone has a successful day. DM Ohio. You too, buddy. You too. Lots of takers look cooked on the 4-hour. Yeah, I saw that too. You don't want to wrench? You want Ortex? No. Fuck Ortex. Your young nephew was stuck on stupid. You need an actual key to start my car in the third. Oh, the clutch. He doesn't want a wrench and can't flex a wrench. I know, Jason. You could probably have one. Jason's been here forever. Apple's still slipping a little. Let's see, man. This is gonna be spicy today. Remember those days? Dude, I do. I do. All right. You're too busy stacking to do anything with a wrench? Oh, I know you are, buddy. I know that's true. Coffee. Happy Monday, Big Dog from Ventura, California. Happy Monday, everybody. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Let's get after it today, team. You just want a blue or green name? I mean, if you can get a green name, but that costs like $5. So, I mean, you don't do that if you don't want to just randomly give me $5. It's early in Ventura. Yeah, it's like 6:20 in the morning. That's craziness. Dude, if I lived on the West Coast, I would not be in the market. Just saying. No, crypto B. That's crazy. In night mode, that's fucking neutral. You get used to it? Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. Nice to see some from Ventura. Oh, shout out to all you guys from California, man. All right, so we got leading economic indicators at 10. It could move. You could move a little bit off of that. West Coast trading is the best. Early in, early out. There you go. Try Guam. It's fucking 12, 19 in the morning. Jesus. You guys are getting early for this, dude. I wake up at like 7:55 every day. Take a shower, get to the computer, put the jacket on, and market opens at 5:30. That's crazy. That's ridiculous, dude. Isn't it sunlight out all the time there too, or is it dark all the time? Alaska's one of those places, right? Let's see. Yeah, and again, you guys have seen the power of the traffic lights. The only place to get them is with your 2-week free trial on the charts. And then in 2 weeks, everybody's going to have access to those alerts on the daily and the 4-hour. So get ready for that. That's probably one of the best things that's been brought out to retail in a while. We have Invictus, Pythagoras, the Day Predictive, Trader Joe. How is Trader Joe doing over here? Where's Mr. Joe? Was he at 11? 12%? Not bad. Not bad. Trader Joe up 12%. He'll take that. Puerto Rico trading would be the best when you can wake up late and trade in paradise. Oh, that would be sweet. You don't wake up with a jacket on? No, I don't sleep in a suit jacket. Ooh, guys, we are 25 likes away from 200 in the pre-market. Damn, son. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. Let's see. All right, SPY doing its thing over here. %40 is freeloading. Yeah, you guys do like freeloading over here. It's okay. Puerto Rico, you don't have to pay taxes on your gains from your understanding. That's the dream. Oh, that would, I mean, isn't there like no, very, very low, if not no taxes in Puerto Rico? I think it's very low taxes. I rock the silk PJs. I don't do that, dude. I don't do that. I do have a bathrobe, though. That thing's pretty comfortable. That thing is pretty comfortable. So, 1,000 likes equals knees? No, 1,000 is when I put the underwear outside my pants. I feel like we have to make it a rule, though. It can't be on a Powell day because at Powell, like, we're going to have more people in here for Powell. Genie's blocking the charts. Any update on mobile? You have to turn your phone sideways, but we do have an update that's getting pushed soon. So there is an update coming for the Genie on mobile, but for the time being, you're going to have to turn your phone sideways, and then you're good to go. All right. SPY's just trapped between the 48 and the 13 in VWAP here. Nothing too crazy. Pretty flat in the pre-market right now. Probably let the Cougars sleep in. Technically, the other one would be I don't think I would say a Cougar. It's not that old. It's like less than 30. The other one's my age. And then there's the other bucket. You had to make the stipulations before you agreed, not after. Fuck, you're right. I did have to do that. Fine, it can be on a Powell day, whatever. Dixie's still moving up, pointing to a sharp SPY drop. It keeps the trend. Yeah, but the problem is that if the dollar's moving up like that, it could easily just sharp. Dixie, 5-minute. How's it looking? The dollar's going nuts here. Hello. Yeah, dollar's moving up pretty nicely. That's a big move, though. Like, and again, like, look at the power of the traffic light. 101. Dude, I cannot stress this enough. I feel so bad for everybody that's not using the traffic lights here. Like, seriously, guys, do yourselves a favor. All you have to do, once you get your free trial and you get access to all the predictive algorithms, everything like that, you just go into any of the charts, you click it, save it, you have the traffic lights. Again, are you going to be able to understand how to use them as well? If you're not watching all the videos and everything, not necessarily, but you need the traffic lights on your charts. There's not much else I can tell you. It's like you need to have them, man. Again, we're going to keep providing the best tools for retail investors to continuously make money in this market. And all of you guys are retail, and all of you guys want to be making money in this market. But you got to take action. The tools are going to be nothing to you if you don't take action. So again, for completely free, 2 weeks, you can come and see why we say these are so powerful. Link at the top of the live chat. I just threw it in there for you guys too. Pay attention or pay a premium. Whoa, here we go. What's up, buddy?
Hey, what's good, man?
Not much. How's your morning going?
Actually, pretty good. Oh boy, this is fun.
We are at some key pivot points here. If What are you thinking for today? I mean, the market's trying to bounce a little. It sold off a little. It's coming back up now.
Um, honestly, I just I quit caring.
I do too.
I think that's my answer every single time is I
Yeah.
simply quit caring. It's like, all right. I sort of kind of like envision the market kind of like what's a great analogy for this one? Like, you know that bossy girlfriend that holds your hand,
Mm-hmm.
right? And you're walking and she just pulls you and says, "No, we're going into this store."
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's basically it. It's like I have to be able to submit myself to the bossy girlfriend and just, okay, yeah, we're going into this store. Okay, yeah, we're going into this store.
Mm-hmm.
So, I try not to, form any type of bias or develop any thought process because I think I think the last time I formed a bias, which was a few CPI days ago, I think that was just mind numbing for me, and
Yeah.
until I humbled myself to the move, I was technically wrong, you
Mm-hmm.
know. So yeah, I'm just letting the market pull me where she wants to take me.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to tell the people in here what the how that small account's doing? I think they might be curious because I know you had a crazy day Friday with it.
Yeah. We're up to 18,000 guys.
Started at
10.
10.
Yeah.
That's just with the system and the rules, team.
Yeah.
So we were talking about ankles and stuff earlier. So again, that's kind of why I brought that one up. But once we hit 100K, we gotta meet up, and you gotta shave those ankles for me.
Yeah, yeah. So what I'm thinking is either I fly up there or you fly down here, but we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this one nice and slow. We're gonna use a single-edged razor,
Oh no.
just so it looks really, really classy, right? We gotta give your ankles the VIP treatment.
I know. I know. I think Jessica's asking how many days. I think it's since January.
Yeah, since January we started this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
80% a month is ridiculous.
yeah. Um, but that was because of Friday.
Yeah. Friday was nasty. You went crazy Friday.
Yeah, I was playing ultra conservatively throughout the month, and then on Friday I was just like, let me put these traffic lights through the test here,
Hmm.
and I literally beat the hell out of the 1 minute.
Hmm.
I was driving through the market the way I drive on Interstate 4. Like I was just okay, let's go.
Woo! I've
Yeah.
seen that. You were cranking that. Oh man, yeah, that's awesome, man. I mean, again, guys, we're just giving you guys proof of concept of the system, and we have some nice fun challenges along with that $10,000 account. Um, yeah, I mean, you guys all know where to get it. We got what do we
Yes,
got? 2 minutes until open.
yes, we do.
Oh, they're asking what
Death's
you hit
touch. I
Friday.
ran into a cow, or the cow ran into me, but it is what it is. Who cares?
Yeah, you want to tell them what you played Friday? Because we went over it, but it was nasty.
Oh, yeah, I was playing the tech juggernauts, but the spy, I was just literally just destroying the spy on the
You
1
hit
minute.
this one. I know it's this one that you got because I was pissed. This
Yeah.
is the one that I didn't hit, and I was angry about this 1 minute one. And then I remember this one, the GME,
Yes.
this one right here. Boom, dead.
Yeah, that was a whole lot of fun. Let me see here. I'm just like looking, I'm zooming out. Also got me in some NVIDIA.
Yeah.
Um, that worked out. So, I mean, yeah, I really all I was all I was doing in this was playing the 1 minute and then defending the 13.
Hmm.
That's all I was doing. Nothing too crazy.
Simple. Keep it simple. And
Yeah.
that, yeah, that's what we were talking about in the lifetime masterclass too. So again, for those of you guys that are gonna then go and get lifetime, let's say like this week at some point, reach out to me, Gabe, or Diana, and I will send you the link to the previous master classes, so you guys will still have access to them.
Yes. Ding,
Ding, ding, ding.
I did have a bold spy prediction then, but it wasn't. It wasn't. That bold spy prediction just played in the way that the market usually plays. Like for instance, market open, you usually see the retracement down to the 200, right? And then you start seeing everyone chase it, as what's happening right now.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have a bounce, and it usually works that way.
Yeah, SPY's just screwing around at that the 1 minute 200 here. Let's see. I mean, it's flat off open.
Yeah,
Let's see.
yeah. But let's see here.
Yeah, Daniel, that's what he means. Selling once the candle breaks the 13. Yeah, that's exactly what he means.
That is the best way to play it, especially
Yeah,
on the 1 minute. Yes.
exactly.
Right. And then what I would essentially do is whatever I broke out, I mean, excuse me, whatever I made. So the candle hits the 13, right? You close the position, but then you take that entire play, and when you get the break above the 13, you re-enter with that money again.
Yeah, it's simple.
And you
It's
just
very.
keep
We were going over this. Yeah, it's very simple, guys. We went over it with you last week. Like the 1 minute is filthy.
yeah. Alternatively, if the play worked against me and I lost some money, whether it's, 5%, 6, 7%, cool. I close my position and then I re-enter with the remaining monies that I had originally allocated to the play. You see?
Mm-hmm.
So you keep your original play, you keep it active. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Um, so yeah, that's how I would play that.
Super simple. Keep it simple, stupid. The KISS method. Let's see. Let's see. SPY chopping around a little bit. That 1 minute 200. Ooh, let's see here.
Let's
Do,
see.
do, 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 do.
Mm,
Let's
oh,
see. Amazon cross that open. Let's take a look. I mean, SPY's just fucking around here. Let's see. Oh wow, no, that's big. That's a big boy candle there. Let's see. What are these doing? Let's see.
Oh,
Apple's kind of in
Amazon.
there too.
Oh my God. Okay. So Amazon came down to the 200 here on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
I expect that to bounce. I expect it
Yeah,
to
I'm trying
bounce.
to look at this here. It's like it's just kind of flashing. Yeah, the Apple's ripping right now though.
Yeah.
Let's see. Apple just gives no fucks. Look at this thing go. That's helping SPY a little there. Hello.
Let's take a closer look at Apple here. Oh, that's filthy. Mm, yeah, I wouldn't chase that one.
No, I would not be chasing that at all.
That's the wildest RSI I've seen in a while. If you look at Apple on a 5 minute, oh my God.
That's pretty nuts. That is pretty nuts. Let's see what they do with this. Oh, SPY slipping a little. Yeah, watch that 396. Because I mean, you do have that 396.50 magnet level that you got to be careful of.
Right, 76.55, we have that level there, for PayPal to the downside. Just trying
SPY's
to catch it.
chopping here. SPY is very choppy. Apple trying to run again. Let's see. Let's see here.
GS.
My favorite? Why is that my favorite? I mean, I did say that this thing was probably gonna get cracked down. Oh, that's not good. That's not good.
GS got freaking slaughtered.
Goldman Sachs.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that thing's been getting killed. Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah, SPY looks interesting here. I mean, you've got this magnet zone. It's just wicking.
On
I'm
the
telling
5
you,
minute.
watch that 396. That thing slips down below there. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o.
Yeah. We got the traffic light. I think this is a great time to go ahead and break down the traffic light. We got a traffic light on the 5 minute. This is intraday. This is actionable. It's
Yep.
playable. So let's go ahead and break this down. Right.
Mhm.
Now, yesterday, um, there was a little confusion as to do you wait for a candle close, and where does it close relative to the level? And I stated that what we're looking for is a candle close with the candle body below the level. I really don't care much
Mhm.
for where the wick is,
Mhm.
right? But the candle body has to, in fact, be below level.
Mhm.
So the traffic light here, the candle has not closed. So in order for that traffic light to be validated, you need a candle close below the level with the body below the level. If you get any part of the body on the 48 here on a 5 minute with SPY, then that nullifies the traffic light.
Yep.
It's yeah, you just don't want it.
Yeah, I mean, the RSI is below 50. It's not really, I mean, these are some pretty big candles that open. It's still just fucking around.
Yeah.
Like, it can't break that 396 right now. Oh, wait, that's stupid. Hold on.
And so there you go. Traffic light gone.
Yeah, it's flickering. Let's see what it wants to do. AMD, yellow traffic light right at open. Yeah, let's see. Oh, hello. Where's Apple here? Dude, Apple is still pushing.
Oh boy. You do have a
10.28% of the
level at
portfolio dumped in a day.
139.88.
What?
139.88 with Apple. Be careful.
Yeah, I mean, it's wicking right now. Where's Baba? Ooh,
All right.
that's a candle. It'd be interesting to see if the SPY could make that move down to the 200 and then potentially bounce later. That's kind of what you're looking for here.
Yeah, it is. So, Vapor Rub, can you explain what you mean by candle body touching? The EMA discredits it. So, for instance, if basically you do not want any part of your candle body sitting on a level, you want the whole candle body, which is basically the square or the rectangle of the candle, not the wicks, not the little sticks. You want those, that part of the body completely above or below your level. And since we're treating the 48 as a level with the SPY and you have a traffic light flickering around, I'm waiting for a candle close with an entire candle body
Mm-hmm.
below the 48 vapor up. I hope that
Mm-hmm.
makes sense.
SPY's looking spicy here. What do you got? 10 seconds left till a new candle. It's just been fucking around this 1 minute 200 EMA here.
Yeah. I think Tesla is another great example where you have the candle body. that traffic light was not valid on that candle close. The traffic light disappeared. You had the candle body crossing both the 48 and the 13. So now you have a new candle with
Mm-hmm.
the candle body entirely above. You have the 13 and a level situated at pre-market, which was 136.73. Right. So you want candle close and you want to see that candle body stay above that level.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Yeah, you broke the 396.50. Let's see if it continues. I'm just kind of watching this thing on the 1 minute here.
Yeah, you put it on a 5, you'll see. But if you
Well,
want
the
to play
five
the
minute
one
looks
minute,
interesting.
yeah,
Yeah, now you have the traffic light to the upside.
you have the traffic light to the upside with Tesla on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to see Tesla? Let's see. Oops. Oh yeah, we got one with Tessie. We got one with Tessie. Let's see. Oh, Bob is getting killed. Where's Tesla over here? Yeah, Tesla's got it. Again, like you really, if you're trying to do these in the first couple minutes of open, it's probably not the best idea. Like playing the traffic lights at like the first 30 minutes is usually not going to be the best thing that you should be doing. You just got to be careful with those.
Well, with the traffic light here again, you do have the candle with Tesla just coming right back down into the level,
Mm-hmm.
right? So again, that's sort of kind of like gives you a clue that maybe this traffic light isn't the traffic light you want to take.
Right.
Right. So, um, because what very well can happen is the 13 and the 48 can end up in what we call an EMA sandwich, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you don't want that. As it stands right now, there's still money. Like if you decided, okay, well, I want to jump in on this traffic light, there was still money to make with this play, but you have to respect the levels. And the level here, 136.73, that would potentially be a risk. Now you could go
On
ahead
Tesla.
and yeah. You could go ahead and risk it all the way back down to the 13, but that's going to get you down to 136.06.
That's some big risk there too.
Yeah, that's a humongous risk. As it
Yeah.
stands right now, your risk is at about 50 cents.
Yeah. Ooh, there goes Spy. There she goes.
There you go. Check out what Pepe Silvia said. He says traffic lights have made me even more patient. No more forcing plays that aren't perfect. That's
There
the
you go.
point.
Let's see. Spy's right at the highs here. Let's see. If this breaks, it's trying. It's really trying.
There you go. Now I'm looking at Netflix. Ladies and gents, Netflix is at a level. If you played Netflix at open, 345.64 is in fact your level. So what you have right now with Netflix is the candle is currently in between it. Now Netflix is also a great way to look at the traffic light.
Mhm.
So obviously, you're not going to play the traffic light when it prints because the traffic light is in between the two EMAs here with Netflix.
Right.
You then you then see the traffic. The first green light coincides with the call with Netflix on the next candle. This is ideal. But then you would play it up to a level. You would know where your levels are at. You would play it up to this level, and as it stands right now, it looks to be just sort of kind of like hitting it and respecting it.
Mhm.
So be careful here.
Yeah, there's no way I would chase this. I would wait for the 1 minute traffic lights later in the day to the downside. That's what I would look for. This thing's just cooked. Like you can see the RSI here too. It's
Yeah,
cooked.
yeah. Oh,
video.
look at Andy with the United Nations thumbs. He's
Oh,
got all
thank
the
you,
colors
Andy.
there.
Thank you, Andy. Don't forget to give the video a like. Thank you, Andy. I appreciate that, buddy. Let's see. Tessie looking interesting. Nvidia looks spicy here. Spy's just fighting. Spies just fighting. And again, guys, if you want these traffic lights on your charts, you guys know where to find them. You get them included in your 2-week free trial. So that link is at the top of the live chat over there. But I'll throw it in there again. You don't have to do anything special to get that 2-week free trial. You just sign up. You don't get charged for 2 weeks. And then all you lifetime members too, you guys have access to the daily and the 4-hour yellow traffic lights alerts. So those are out for you guys right now. They should be in your email. If you don't have them yet, just go check your email and you guys can get them. But those will be out for everybody in 2 weeks.
There you go. There you go. And Netflix with 345.69 being your risk, it was also a level. Hey, you're good to go. There was money made on this play. Like there's really no other way we can explain this out for you guys, right? Yeah, it's just really, really simple stuff.
Yeah, Spy looks spicy. I'm just hunting over here. Like it's just we're going hunting today. Use these traffic lights to your advantage, guys, and you're going to be taken to the promised land. I mean, you do have this 1-minute one right here, which is kind of filthy.
Which ticker?
On Spy. This is Spy.
The 1-minute scalp. Okay, yeah. So now, again, if you took that traffic light, then you're defending at the level at 396.89.
Yeah.
Right? And then it keeps moving. So you move it up. Now you're defending a level here. Right? If you guys zoom out, you'll see that there's also another level. It just broke above. Now you're defending 397.13. Right? It comes up to the blue pill line at 397.48. Then you go ahead and you defend it there. Now you're waiting for it to happen. But if it breaks, now you're defending 397.48.
Yep. Yeah.
There you go.
I just hit one.
There you go.
Yeah.
This is exactly how I played it on Friday.
Yep.
When I was playing the 1 minute, I was looking, I took a traffic light. I saw it go up to a level. You break the level, cool. Now defend it. Break another level, cool. Now defend it. And that's just, it doesn't get any easier than that.
Yeah, I'm up 20 something percent on some. Already scaled out, have a stop in profit, gonna let it go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
There you go. And if you defended it at 397.48, you got stopped out.
Yep.
There you go. And you made your money. It really doesn't get any simpler than this, man.
I trade these the exact same way every single time, team. Scale out, move a stop into profit. I'm not even going to look at this thing anymore. It's just going to go. If it starts shooting, cool. But then I'll just move a stop up and just secure even more money. Very, very, very simple. Yellow traffic lights for the fucking win. Thank you.
Brendeezy. Good stuff. You
8.23%.
see a lot of the same with NVIDIA. Pull up NVIDIA on the
it's
the
right
1 minute.
here. I'll throw it up on our charts.
Okay, NVIDIA on the 1 minute, you got your traffic light. You come up to a level of 181. That's where you defended, right? The next candle, essentially, if you defended it, the next candle possibly would have stopped you out. And that's cool. You're still in profit. You're in massive profit coming in from this book going on forward, right? But let's say you did not respect that level. Then you come on up to the next level, which was 181.63. Now you're expected to defend that, right? And she keeps going. Where are we going? You know, it's pretty wild, guys. You could literally just go ahead and just play defense all the way through once you enter a traffic light.
That's what I'm doing. I'm just playing defense now. It wants to go. It wants to go. If it doesn't want to go, hand me more free money.
That's it. Now, let me explain it to Frank, and I'm going to explain it in more detail in my stream. Traffic lights for the daily will happen at market close, so it allows the candle to close and the traffic light to be valid. On the 4 hour, we will have the scan happen every 4 hours, so you get it on candle close and the traffic light to be valid.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, Frosky, you may be thinking like, wait, so do I have to play a traffic light that happened yesterday tomorrow?
Yes.
Absolutely. But you are going to go ahead and start looking for price action to trend in the direction that the traffic light signaled. And then you enter your play, ideally printing your first green light or red light, depending on your thesis, as it makes its move. This is probably the most effective way to play it. Also, give yourself more time. Now, Tabasco Dave, 3% on a port in the first 20 minutes of the day. So, Tabasco, you're going to be done with this. I saw what you did to your port. I saw that you have a goal each and every month, and you're way ahead of your January goal en route to retirement this year. I saw that. Good stuff, man.
Yeah, you guys are killing it, dude. Gabe, these
Oh,
contracts right now are up 31%.
damn.
Yeah.
Okay. Also, another fun fact, our resident
Envidia.
lover, Diana, has 20 green days in a row.
That is awesome.
What makes this even more impressive is that she is bombarded every day by the community. So she has to manage the community plus trade. So, guys, you're running out of excuses if you're not adopting the system and making money.
Mm-hmm. Guys, you just saw me do this on the stream, like playing the traffic lights. It is so simple. And that's why I said earlier in the stream, you need the traffic lights on your charts. I don't know what the fuck you're doing if you don't have them. Like the risk on it is so tight, and the potential for like solid gains is crazy. Like these contracts right now are up 35%. And I've scaled out.
35.
I've made it free. There's no risk on the table. Like, make sure that you guys are watching those stop loss strategy videos. Everything is linked down in the description of this video. All stop loss, risk management, reversal strategy, the traffic light videos. Gabe and I both have them on our channels. We are going to be releasing more videos out to you guys soon. But this is filthy, dude. These are cheat codes for retail. It's
Yeah.
like you don't want them. Cool. I'll just keep fucking printing money over here with them. Let's see, 39.5%.
Jeez
These are
Louise.
40.
Let's go ahead and look at the SPY. Did it just hit the 200 on the daily?
Did it?
Okay. That's when you, okay, good looks. Now, let's look at the daily here with the SPY, right? Now that
Oh, yeah, 390. Well, 398.03 is the 200 on the daily, so it's above it right now.
all right, so you know what that means? You close your fucking positions ASAP. Now, that's not financial advice. The fact is that the 200 exists on the daily, and we know how powerful the 200 is. And you
I just
know,
moved my stop way up. Way up.
oh
That's
man,
what I do.
this
I'll like if it hits these levels like this, I just move stops way up. And I'm like, if it
that's it.
continues, cool. If it doesn't, give me my money.
You definitely now have to respect that 200 there. This is there's no exception to this. This is the rule here. This is the rule. Let me bring the blue pill line right up to that 200 level here. Now bring it back over to the 5 minute. And you could see she just you can see she's lost a little steam on the 5 minute
Mm-hmm.
as she approached this level, right? You guys, if you want to fuck around and find out, look what she's doing on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
She's printing sequential red candles. You don't want
Mm-hmm.
to respect it. You don't want to respect levels, then you don't respect your portfolio. And you probably don't respect mine or STV's time.
Mm-hmm.
And if that's the case, we can't help you.
Exactly. We're going to give you guys every single tool that you need to have success. But if you're not going to listen and take advantage of them, they're as good as useless. So my stops
Yeah.
are way up now. I'm literally locking in. It's about 2/3 of the highest gain that I saw on this trade. If it wants to stop me out, cool, do it. Give me my money.
That's it. But you're
If
playing
it
defense. That's why we say, guys, focus on not losing money, because when you focus on not losing money, the opposite is true.
Mhm.
Okay. I'm not going to sit here and speculate like, oh, we're in a bull market now. Now, Arvin brought up a really, really good question. So, if SPY breaks to 200, that means we might enter a bull market. No. The
Not a bull
SPY
market.
on the daily has failed to hold itself above the 200 for any meaningful amount of time.
Mhm.
So, are we there yet? No. That's it. What do you think, STV?
Bull market, absolutely not. Just because we're seeing a nice technical move up here on the daily does not mean that the bull market is back. If you look at all of the data that's been coming out and everything that we've seen out of the Fed, this is reminding me of the bullshit moves that we've seen many, many times in the past that I love to call bullshit on. That's as simple
Absolutely.
as that. So I will day trade it, but I will set up my positions accordingly. These are up 44% now, which is pretty sweet. My stop is way the fuck up. If it's like it doesn't have much room here. So if this thing wants to stop me out, cool. But again, I'm just gonna trade the traffic lights. And again, guys, I say this a lot. I'll say it again. We are not in the business of trying to predict where the market's gonna go. We're letting the charts tell us so that we can
Exactly.
react.
The chart is essentially the annoying girlfriend that says, we're going to Abercrombie right now. Give me your
Hmm.
card.
Hmm.
That's it. Right now, with NVIDIA, I want you guys to be mindful of NVIDIA. NVIDIA does, in fact, have a level on the daily. This level is going to be 187.98. Now, if we go to the 4 hour, we're looking for a level on the 4 hour, and I just can't quite find it. Not even on a 4 hour. This is freaking wild. This means that NVIDIA is basically in free range right now.
Hmm.
So what you need to do now is rely on your indicators and again start defending profits. So for instance, on the 5 minute with Nvidia, since I don't really have a level I could find here, and I can't find it on a 4 hour or the daily, what I'm going to do is I'm going to defend the
Hmm.
bottom of the candle that it's currently in.
Hmm.
That's all I'm doing. That's
They took me out on this little candle to the downside here. Secure the back. Easy.
That's it.
Easy, easy, easy. But
Ooh,
yeah,
look at that wick.
dude, that's crazy. I don't know what the fuck that is. That's like that's kind of like a bullshit wick in my opinion, I think. There's no that's
That's
kind of nothing. That's just weird data coming through the feed there, man. Dark
yeah.
pool.
But
It's dark pool.
if you guys, okay, anybody who fucked around and find out, you deserve everything to happen to you because we guided you play for play on the spy. She came up to a level. We warned you about the level being on the daily and how it needed to be respected.
Mhm.
You could, and let's just say the spy does in fact continue moving, right? At this very moment, they don't see it happening. However, if you secured the bag at the level, and then she makes a continuation after a breather, after a retracement, you could then take that original play and throw it back in
Mhm.
and have a continuation.
Yep.
And essentially, again, play defense.
Mhm.
You're playing defense, right? That's it. Gerald Mullet up
Look at Apple on the
1.93%
one
on the
minute.
port. Jeez.
This is the 1 minute on Apple that I have on the screen.
Step out
1.93%
of
on the port.
Google.
Oh, that's filthy. Stopped out at up 15% on Google. There you go. Secured the bag on Nvidia for 25%. Good shit, team. Again, you guys just saw Gabe and I do it in real time. Levels, stop loss strategy, simple, 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 quick scalps in and out with the traffic lights.
There
Hey,
you go. Bobby T, thank you too for walking through that spy play. 33%.
woo! There you go.
Oh man.
That is filth.
All right, guys, start sending STV some supers here.
You guys don't have to do that. If you want to do anything, go get your free trials, team. That's what you need to do. Like you guys see, I want you guys making money. Like I can't stress this enough. If you don't have the traffic lights on your chart, sorry, like we're gonna leave you behind.
That's it. I Lele, 7.3% on the port. Thank you, traffic lights. Going back to bed.
There you go. Hit the like button, freeloaders. Thank you, Life Wisdom. Dude, this is Print City today. Apple's still running here. Oh, SPY new highs.
There you go.
Yeah, I didn't like that. I mean, at the end of the day there, I will take my gains on that thing all day long.
Who wouldn't? Who wouldn't? Don't be greedy.
I liked that traffic light. That was a fun one. But yeah, looking at the levels on the SPY, I mean, now you're blasting. So again, what I'll probably do is just wait for reversals later and traffic lights to the downside. But we'll see. I mean, SPY's at 398.50 here. That's going to be a key level. 35% on Disney, House of the Mouse undefeated. There you go.
All right. So this is where no. All right. Kelly France, yes, you do have a traffic light on Monday with Tesla, but that traffic light is not good. Wait until market close.
Yeah, it needs to confirm.
Yeah, I thought this was being updated as I'll go. I had texted you. You said this was being updated and pushed out today. So maybe it didn't get pushed out yet.
It's not on the alerts, Gabe. It's just it has one on the chart.
On the chart, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So perfect. I think it did work. It's good on the on platform.
There you go. Now, Kelly, this is what you do. Okay, you guys ready for some education?
Hope you guys are ready.
This is what you do. If you look at a play on a daily and you get a yellow traffic light alert, right? What you can do is go back to the 5-minute and know that the entire move is in fact biased to the upside. So you can go ahead and play the 1 minute and the 5-minute with a little more confidence to the upside until the day actually closes. That's it. Right? Now, will I chase this 139.16? Probably not.
No. Again, I want everybody to get a sticky note, write down "do not chase" on the sticky note, and then put it on your screen. If you're going to be chasing in this market and FOMOing into things, say goodbye to your money. It's probably going to be given to me because I'm playing the reversals. If you want, if that's what you want to give STV money in the market when I come in here and play these reversals, fine by me, man. I just don't want you guys losing money.
Wow, Neo on the 4-hour. She's at the 200. Someone mentioned Neo priming for a reversal. She's also at the 48 on the daily. Okay, wow. All right, so let's go and look at Neo on the 5-minute. Priming for a reversal. Very, very, very possible. Wow, wasn't Neo a shit stock just a few days ago? It was.
What is it now?
11.67.
Oh, $11. I still don't like Neo, but that's okay. Just in terms of like to trade it, it's $11 stock. I like to stay away from those, but that's just me.
Red Ragdoll, what happened to GME and AMC? I don't know. Traders got a hold of it and we're making money with it. So I mean, that's what happened.
Ape was theft. The C-suite at AMC is not coming to save anybody. They're gonna do what they want to do with the company. Ape showed everybody that. We tried to warn people. Again, it is what it is. People were sending me death threats after I told them.
Did you see that clip that Andy sent us where the show on the Ramsey show? Where
I saw some guy lost like a bunch of money in the market.
$80,000 thanks to AMC and GME.
Dude, you can't. That's the thing. You cannot. This is what we were saying. You cannot put too much money at anything. Putting all your eggs in one basket in anything is a terrible idea. Even if it's a bond portfolio, like that's still really, really, really risky.
To add insult to injury, he took out like a home equity loan or a line of credit against his home to
Jesus.
buy more AMC
I
and
had
GME,
I had friends doing that too that were like in it like way before like for the first run, and I'm like, what the fuck are you doing?
right? Yeah, by the way, on the 1 minute, AMC printed a traffic light. Anyways,
Right.
to the downside. But that type of experience is just it's jarring to me. And then in that actually goes against our number one rule here in our community is to do not trade with emotions.
Mhm.
There was obviously a lot of emotion in that, and let's be real here. There are some real life consequences to it,
Mhm.
right? He was in a lot of debt because of it. Um, his wife is a homemaker. He's an engineer, makes a little over six figures. That's cool and all, but can you imagine just the real world implication on this. So in order for him to get out of debt, he would have to work more hours or find another job, which then now he's taking away from his family, his wife, his children,
Mhm.
which then you begin to dissolve the marriage in itself, right? These are real life implications. Like
Mhm.
it's not just about the stock, right? So again, this AMC GME crap, it's literally got to be taken to the back and just put down. Bring it to the shed and put it down. That's it.
Mhm. Are there problems in the market? Absolutely. Can they be solved? Sure. But at the same time, you gotta be careful with the money that you're putting in. It's like you can't just assume that since there's this one thing going on that everything's gonna happen. I mean, we all were talking about it. It's like, guys, after 8 came out, it's not you can it's a whole different thing now.
It's a whole different thing. I just never understood why people were so attached to something that wasn't making them money.
Yeah. I mean, we showed them again, the thing is too, is that with the traffic lights, this is the interesting thing. Like people were going crazy about it. And I was like, look, throw it on the 4 hour. And it told you right here.
Yeah.
Boom. At 412. If you wanted to make money with it, it was right here. 412. You got a $2 move, 50% move in stock with the 4 hour traffic light. And I said this last week, pick any stock that's made a big move in the last 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, whenever. And I will show you that the traffic lights got you in way before. That's why I say you need the traffic lights on your chart because no matter what you're going to do, the traffic lights are going to show you that it's about to happen.
Yeah. Yeah. And for this reason, it was for this reason that we said, I know you guys get on me for that live stream. Obviously, it shook the community a little bit, but I went on record and said, I don't respect anybody still covering AMC. Yeah, even if that member was in our community. Like, I just didn't respect anybody advocating for pimping it, just trying to pump it.
Mhm.
Um, because that's subjective. I live in a very, very objective world
Mhm.
where life is binary,
Yep.
just like the charts.
See, you're getting some traffic lights to the downside here. Let's see. Spies at what? It's slipping a little. Apple slipping a little bit. Let's see what we get here. So glad this bear
Goosebump
market is over.
Joe.
Dude, these are bot accounts. I swear to God, it happens every once in a while where a lot of people will come in and say the same thing. There have been a lot of people saying this today that the bear market's over. No, it's not. Don't listen to anybody saying this in the live chat. They're all similar messages. It's bot accounts. Be careful, team. Bear market's not over.
Oh, Andy's spicy today.
He is spicy today.
Look at him.
I like it. Ooh, we're 4 likes away from 250 likes as well. Thank you guys. I appreciate that.
Sweet. Andy, you are spicy, bro. Did your nuts drop this morning? Did you finally become a man? I love it.
I like it. Spy slipping, Apple slipping a little here. Let's see if we get that VWAP test. That'd be spicy. Flickering. Come on. Come on. Do something, market. Risk 5%, gain 20. Love that risk to reward. Born trader. There you go, buddy. Banks prepping for a recession to tell everyone what they need to know. Yeah, people, again, a lot of people just have no clue what they're talking about in terms of like reading macroeconomic trends and monetary policy. So it is what it is. People can think what they want, but at the end of the day, I will tell you what everything means in terms of the macroeconomic stuff. But I'm not trying to predict things before they happen. That's silly.
Yeah. Yeah. Spy on a 5-minute is like a stubborn child. You're absolutely right, Algo.
Mhm. These things are, dude, the 1 minute on Apple's moving like the 5 minute. It's like super slow.
Ooh. Well, we do have a traffic light on Apple
We
on the
do.
1 minute.
We do.
Yes, and you do have a blue line here. So, okay, this is a great example of how to play the 1 minute. So you got a traffic light here.
Mhm.
Now, if you played on the candle, let's say somewhere at 139.60 or something like that, you could literally defend it at 139, the blue pill line, 139.88,
Mhm.
right? So you got stopped out. Boom. Now you got another traffic light. You see what
Mhm.
happened there? Right? You can literally defend it and say, okay, now she wants to move up. The MACD is weaker here on the 1 minute. The RSI broke above its moving average. I can scalp on the way up and make a quick buck, right? Because you do
Mhm.
have a level here at 140.25.
Mhm.
So all you would have to do is literally take that move up to 140.25. And guess what? You made money on the play.
Then you're defending the 13.
That's it.
It's simple. Keep it simple, guys.
That's it. That's it. But this also just drives home that you probably don't want to play around levels.
Exactly.
All right. Listen, guys, I'm going to go hang it up. I have to go ahead and drink some coffee so I can be in hyper mode on my live stream at 10:35. It's going to be
There
around
we
those
go.
times. Right. So, yeah, you guys are going to need to hit the slow mo button on my stream because my first cup of coffee, I'm already feeling it. I need the second cup to just really marinate now. So,
Time to get cracked out.
yes. Yes. All right, guys. Peace.
Peace.
Later.
Later, buddy. All righty, team. 396.50 double top. I can't. No, I mean not anymore. You're at 398.71. You're running now. Neo's running. Everything's running up here a little bit. Let's see. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Helps get some more people on this stream. Let's see. Netflix up over $10, waiting for the reversal. Ooh. Don't they have earning? Oh, they already had earnings. Yeah, I'd be hunting for reversals later. That's kind of what I'm looking at today. Reversals a little bit later. Bob on the at the 1 minute 200 on the way up. Check it out. Let's see. What do we got on Baba here? Alibaba. Let's see. I mean, this is nice. You have this nice move here. I don't hate that. I don't hate that. I mean, where's the 1 minute 13? 119.66. Okay. It's just chilling. Lucid's running hard. Yeah, I'd be careful of a lot of these. All three accounts over 1% now. What should you do? You know exactly what you should do. Ooh, Shark. Shark on Baba. Just scored on the Lucid. Nice, dude. Yeah, guys, make sure that you guys are securing your 2-week free trials. Free. 2 weeks are free. What are you doing? 2 L's in a row, keeping your promise, waiting an hour to reset. Good job, Arvin. Good job. Let's see. Where did Baba go there? Yeah, Baba sharked. A little sharky on Baba. Yeah, it's pretty flat here. So much dry powder, though. Who cares? Who cares? It doesn't matter how much dry powder you have. It doesn't. It matters zero how much dry powder you have. If you're up over 1% on all your accounts, you're done. Let's see here. I'll go eat breakfast. Smart move. Where's Apple? It's fucking around a little here. It's teetering. Hit that spy pop. Good day. Walking away. Yeah, I hit that one too. Actually, I'm gonna throw that on Twitter for you guys. Let's see. Hold on. Hold on. Let me throw this on. Hold on. I got to do this real quick. Spy's screwing around a little bit. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Hold on. Boom. All right, let me get this tweet for you guys. Hold your horses. I'll show you guys the spy play really quick. All right, yeah, if you guys wouldn't mind running over to Twitter really quickly, dropping a like. If you guys made some money today, throw your gains down below that tweet that I just sent you guys as well. Yeah, so I sent that tweet right there. That was a nice nasty spy trade off of open with the traffic lights. There you guys go. Very, very, very simple. So again, you guys wouldn't mind running up that tweet a little bit there. I shot you guys the link. There you go. Best Monday in a while. Yeah. So that's the gain over there on the spy trade. Make sure you guys go check that one out. Let's see. Run up that tweet, team. Do what you guys do best. Spread the word about what we're doing over here, man. Pay attention or pay a premium. There it is. Oh, there you guys go. Shout out to all you guys on Twitter. I love you guys. Netflix shark a little bit here. Actually, I want to do this. Amazon on the 5-minute. What's up with Amazon? Oh, you guys are killing it on Twitter. Thank you, team. Appreciate that. I don't like this. How's this look on the 1 minute? That's Chop City. 0.5%. That's not bad. You're keeping the risk in check. Yo, Brain Cantor. What's up, buddy? How you doing? And I'm watching Netflix over here. Let's see what happens. Spy still looking like it wants to move to the upside there. Not a crypto player, but an example. Be careful. Yeah. I mean, you can use the traffic lights on crypto too. And Netflix, what are you doing? What are you doing, Netflix? Come on. Come on, Netflix. Woo! Lion. Holy shit. There you go, buddy. Oh, man. Nice 57%er made $1,000 on that one. Woo! You guys are crushing it, dude. You made 3.33% today on your port. I'm happy with that. I would be too. That's fucking awesome. Is defending analogous to scaling out? Yeah, pretty much. I mean, scaling out and moving stops into profit effectively. Gerald with some nice gains. Dude, you guys are murdering it over there. Dude, good shit, team. That's me? Ryan the Lion. Fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. Yeah, if you guys have any other gains too that you want to throw under that tweet, go for it, man. Tell the people to show them. Spent the whole fucking weekend running inside. Inside running paper plays on demand. Oh, there you go. It's a good way to do things. Money. Yeah, you guys are killing it, dude. Again, trade 1348 gang wins again. What are you surprised at this point that we're printing over here with these traffic lights in our system? I'm not. Every day, it's the same deal. This is interesting. 1260 on that SPX play, in and out, now wait on Invictus. Good shit, Marky Mark. Damn, dude. There you go. Apple still running? Yeah, it is. It is. I'm watching Netflix here at the 1:13, just kind of seeing if it's going to break. It's up 3% here. That's a bit much. It's a bit much. Where's the knife? It could come at some point. The Bitcoin yellow traffic light on the 15-minute went over 8% this weekend, over $1,700. Ryan Marshall. Fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. That's what we like to see. Nvidia's been fire. Nah, I mean, you can wait. I would wait for this. This thing is it's up 4.4%. Where's AMD? Oh, AMD giving me a gift. Oh, dude. The long term must be up so much money today. Wait, hold on. The long term's up at least. Oh, that's good. Because I know how many shares I have of it. That's good. AMD. Ooh, 7% on the day. Damn. I like that. I like that, man. Thank you, long-term portfolio, making me money while I don't do shit. Yeah, keep running up that tweet, team. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. All right, folks. Let's see. SPY still running up a little bit. That was a nice SPY trade there. Your put got toasted. Why were you buying puts? And why'd you let it get toasted, Andy? Are you paying attention to the risk management video that we've been harping on with you guys for the last month and a half? Again, all of those learning videos are in the description of this video. We have our interview with our millionaire member, Jason. We have the stop loss strategy, the reversal strategy, and the risk management video all linked in the description of this live stream. And again, you also have the traffic light video out on my channel as well that I probably should add to the description of this video, but then there's going to be like 5 links to videos. That's kind of crazy. Maybe I'll swap one out. But there goes SPY. Damn, bro. Netflix RSI on the 5 minutes, 89.4 hourly and daily cooked. It's going to be good to the downside. I think eventually, yes, but you got to give it time. Better to be even than negative. 100%. SPY still running there, dude. Maybe we get that 400 test today. Can we look at SPY on the daily? Yeah, it's up above the 200 there. So again, I mean, I could have given this a little bit more time with this, with the, what do you call it? The stop, or a little bit more room with the stop. These would be up what, 55, 60%. Like they wouldn't, the gain isn't that much more. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. You guys slaughtered it today. Slaughtered it. Good shit, Trade 1348 gang. How's the dollar? I mean, it probably sharked, like we were talking about. On the 5 minute? Yeah. Ran up, sharked. SPY pushing here still. Let's see. Hold on. Mark with a 4.83% on the portfolio today. One trade, 1260 profit. There you go, man. I mean, again, you guys know where to find us if you want to take your trading to the next level. We are the best place to learn how to trade. Where else are you seeing this stuff? Paid for my daughter's first year at Clemson last week. Traffic lights kept me in my swings longer. Thank you, DM Ohio. I appreciate that, man. That's awesome. The last 3-minute alert for Nancy is down, but it's up a lot. Does it not make all alerts? What do you mean? I mean, I'm not trading them on the 3-minute, but you could. Why is the 3-minute one down? It can't be. No. This is up because this was down. This is up. And then, I mean, you got the 5-minute one here. So this is filth as well. Traffic lights are the truth, man. If you don't have traffic lights on the chart, you're going to struggle. So, I mean, Ung Invictus gone the other way. I mean, I was going to talk about that. I don't like, I'm probably not going to be day trading Ung. Natural gas is crazy. No matter what it's at. Like, there are just some things that I'm like, yeah. All right. Netflix with a slip there. Hold on. Let's see. But there was no alert on NVIDIA. There's not supposed to, there are no alerts on the 5-minute traffic lights. We're going to be alerting you guys on the daily and the 4-hour with the traffic lights. All lifetime members have access to the traffic lights right now, the alerts on the daily and the 4-hour. But again, we're not going to be alert. We're just, because that's just going to overflood you guys with just too many alerts. 3% on the port stop loss is key. There you go, Michael. I mean, maybe we could do some 5-minute traffic light alerts. Holy fudgicles. The red light, green light game? Sorta. Spy still pushing up here. I can't wait for these to reverse, dude. In some spy calls with stops already in profit. So every 10%, I'm moving your stop up 10%. Tyler, fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. Yeah. So those of you guys that are on the sidelines right now, do you need me to show you some more crazy examples of traffic lights? Because like, we go back to the spy over here on these day trades. The 1 minute, this is what we were going over in the masterclass. I took this trade. So the trade that you guys see on my Twitter right now is this trade right here on the traffic light. Filthy. Isn't it also possible it just runs like on Friday? Yeah, it is. It's very possible that it does that. So I got stopped out here, I think, in profit. Because I bought back down here, scaled out at over 10%, let the thing run, bing, bang, boom, done. Simple. Could I be up more now? Yeah. Do I care? Nope. The daily list is already huge. A 5-minute list would just be overwhelming. Maybe select 5 like Spy Apple. Yeah, we could do that. I mean, the daily list is going to be a lot. The 4-hour list is going to be a lot. But we'll probably go over this again once it's released to everybody. But we kind of told the lifetimers exactly how to use the alerts as they come out. You got stopped out of the big wick? No, I didn't. This is fake. The price never actually came down here. You can go back in the stream and you can see I was like talking about the wick, but I was still in the trade. Like price never actually went there. Let's see. Netflix pushing, Apple pushing, everything. Nancy's slipping a little here. That's interesting. QQQ for 10%. Probably not making any more trades today. There you go, dude. There you guys go. Killing it, man. One and done. There you go. Spine route to 400, then massive kaboom. Remember that would happen the last few times the spy hit 400? Can you access the traffic light as a monthly member? And is there a video explaining the traffic light and how to use it? Yes. So all monthly members right now get access to this chart here with the traffic lights on them. So you can see all of the traffic lights. And yes, there are 2 videos. I have one out on my channel about the traffic lights, and Gabe has one out on his channel about the traffic lights as well. And in 2 weeks' time, we are going to be giving the traffic lights to everybody. We just have to give a little bit of preferential treatment to our lifetime members. Just because they've been with us for a while, they've decided to come in for life. So they get access to it for 2 weeks before everybody else. So if you want the alerts right now, I mean, you could go in there to get them on the daily and the 4-hour. But yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at here, team. Let's see. Where do you get the charts for the traffic lights as a monthly member? So you can click on any one of the charts on the drawer dropdown, or once you link your Discord to platform, you go in and click on any one of those charts that are on the alerts in Discord, and then you can save it and you are good to go. Should you be seeing the traffic light alerts? If you're a lifetime member and you got sent the link, yes. Spy is still pushing right now. But yeah, so if you guys do want those on your charts, it comes in your 2-week free trial too, so you can use them. But let's see here. I am, but no link. Check your spam because they were sent out, I believe, on Friday or Saturday. If you're a newer lifetime member, you may not have them yet. And again, we're gonna keep sending out those links to you guys. But yeah, so there's the link to the 2-week free trial. And again, all you lifetimers, you guys already have it. And everybody in there all also has it as well. There we go. Let's see what we got here. Hold on. Is Gabe live yet? Hold on. Let's see. Not yet. All right, guys. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Took Amazon on 20% with the traffic light. There you go. Damn, things are running. Yeah, things are running. Well, let's see. I mean, Spy was marching up here. Oh, how's the RSI on the Spy on the 5 minute? It's got to be a little bit cooked, isn't it? I mean, the 1 minute's fine. Let's see. Where's the 5 minute? 5 minutes cooked. 9.12% of the portfolio. You guys are changing lives for real. Brandisi, thank you, man. We appreciate that, dude. Shout out to you guys that have been in there with us for a while. I know you guys have seen a lot of nonsense out there and had to deal with all these other idiots trying to basically lead you guys to the slaughter. Congratulations to those of you guys that have been in for a while, but those of you guys that are new, it doesn't take too long to actually catch like really get the hang of the system here. That's awesome, Brandisi, though. 9.12% on the port is sweet. Let's see here. Brian, we have an entire video about that. It's called Burning Bridges. Basically, the long and short of it is, I mean, we had a lot of differences and then basically tried to siphon 150K from us. And we were like, no. But go on Gabe's channel. There is a video or it's a live stream called Burning Bridges or something. And I just kind of break down the entire thing. So if you search up like Review Dork Burning Bridges, watch that video. I explained to you the entire story of what happened. Like, let's see. Rocky theme song is now stuck in your head. Good. Good. That's what it's meant for. Spy moving back up. Gabe's incoming. Posted the link in the Discord. Ooh, all right, guys. I will see you guys a little bit later. Have an amazing rest of your day. If I don't see you, Gabe and I will be back on at what? Like, what do you call it? 12:30. Then I will be back on at 1:30. But Gabe is going live right now. And again, guys, if you want to join the winning team in the market here, you guys see this every single day. Here is the link to the free trials. Do not miss out on that because, again, like I always say, we will leave you behind when we do increase prices. So, team, I will see you guys in a little bit. Get your traffic lights, get your predictive algorithms. I will see you a little bit later. Other than that, everybody, have a great rest of your day. Peace.